Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classshooter.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is expanding for trading network tending to select one option A spread European goods across the plan. Option B deliver goods more quickly due to your boat. Option C change to risk-free for pemmican. Option D allow more access to land for Métis. The correct answer of the questions option A spreads European goods and crosses the plane. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other questions, please visit www.classtutor.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there an ask section on the right side of the website. Fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.